What if crops could tell the farmers exactly when they need water? With smart irrigation management system, this is now possible using IoT and automation. So in this video, let's understand how smart irrigation is transforming the modern agriculture. Now here you can see the smart irrigation management system. You have total 7 steps here, or the 7 sections. Now here this image, it explains the smart irrigation management systems used in precision agriculture, and the main goal of the system is to help the farmers monitor their agricultural fields and manage water supply efficiently through modern technology. And also it reduces the manual effort and helps the farmers make better decisions for crop growth. Now here in the first section you can see it shows the important agricultural parameters that need regular monitoring, and these parameters include the water level, soil moisture, fertilizer condition, and the soil temperature, and these factors directly affect the crop growth and productivity. And by continuously monitoring these parameters, farmers can understand the condition of their fields and take suitable actions at the right time. Then the second section here, it shows a farmer walking in the field to collect the data manually. In traditional farmers must visit the different parts of the field to check the soil and crop conditions. This process requires a lot of time and effort, especially for large farms. And the smart irrigation system eliminates this problem by automatically collecting the data using the sensors which are installed in the field. Then comes the third section where it highlights the importance of proper water management. Here it compares two situations, that is, first is the excess water supply and second is the insufficient water supply. Excess water supply can damage the crops, cause root diseases and waste valuable water resources. On the other hand, insufficient water supply can lead to poor plant growth, then reduced crop yield and dry soil conditions. Therefore, an optimized and balanced water supply is essential for healthy crop production. Now, the fourth section here, it presents the background of the project, where the irrigation management system prototype was developed at the Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Kharagpur, with support from the Government of India. And this demonstrates that the system is based on research and technological innovation aimed at improving agricultural practices. Then comes the fifth section, which explains the primary objective of the system. That is, a web-based platform is provided to the farmers here so that they can monitor and manage irrigation properly and remotely. Through a computer or smartphone, farmers can view field information without physically visiting the farm, and this improves the convenience and it saves the time. Then comes here the sixth section, which illustrates how the system works. Here the sensors are installed in the field to collect the data related to soil moisture, water level, fertilizer status and temperature, and this information is transmitted through a wireless network to a cloud server. Now the cloud processes and analyzes the collected data, and farmers can then access the results through a mobile application or the web dashboard. And based on the analysis, they can decide when and how much water should be supplied to the crops. In the seventh section, it emphasizes that the farmers do not need to understand the complex technical architecture behind the system, and the interface is simple and user friendly, and it provides easy access to field information and recommendation, making this technology suitable even for farmers with the limited technical knowledge. Okay, and here this last bottom part, it summarizes the complex workflow, that is the field sensors to the data collection, then comes the data transmission. After that, there will be data processing and analysis, then it will be displayed on the web dashboard and the mobile application. So then there will be a decision made on the smart irrigation, and then you have a optimized water supply depending upon the analysis, and then you have healthy crops and better yield. So overall, the smart irrigation management system is an affordable and efficient solution that enables remote monitoring, saves the water, time and effort, then reduces the labor, supports the data-driven decision making, and improves the crop productivity through the intelligent irrigation management. Now, next is why smart irrigation is needed. Okay, so here um smart irrigation is an important technology in the modern agriculture and in traditional farming. Here you can see this is a traditional farming where the farmers must regularly visit their fields to check the soil conditions and decide when to water the crops. Okay, and this process requires a lot of time and effort. Now here again it shows two situations or the two major problems related to the irrigation. The first is too much of water, which can flood the field, damage the plant roots, and reduce the crop productivity or the quality. And the second is too little water, which causes the dry soil, poor plant growth, and lower crop production. Therefore, providing the right amount of water is very important for the healthy crops. And the image also highlights the disadvantages of the manual irrigation, that is the problems associated with the manual irrigation, including the water leakage, water wastage, crop damage, more labor is required, and it is time consuming also, and there will be a time consuming monitoring, and these challenges make farming less efficient and more costly. So in order to solve these problems, a smart irrigation system based on IoT technology is presented, where the sensors are placed in the field, continuously monitor the soil moisture, temperature, and other environmental condition. Then the collected data it is sent to the cloud for analysis, and based on the results, automated pumps provide the exact amount of water which is needed by the crops. And as a result, smart irrigation helps to save the water and reduce the labor, then save the time, increase the profit, and improve the crop yield. And also it supports sustainable and efficient farming practices for the future. Then we have some objectives of the smart irrigation management system. First is monitor the soil moisture and water levels automatically. So here the sensors will collect the real-time data from the field. Then second is provide a web-based interface for farmers, where we'll be having a easy and user-friendly dashboard for quick insights. Then third is to allow the remote monitoring and control of irrigation, where control of irrigation is done from anywhere and anytime. Then fourth you have is the optimized water usage. It may be like here, without this image shows without smart irrigation, and here it shows the image with smart irrigation. So you have to use the right amount of water at the right time. Then fifth is the reduced manual labor. In traditional hard work and time consuming irrigation will be there, whereas in smart irrigation management system there will be smart irrigation. Automation reduces effort and it will save the time. So this is about the smart irrigation management system. Thank you.